Welcome to Magnate World, where we unveil the secrets to achieving financial freedom. Today we have a special journey ahead, exploring the power of passive income. But what exactly is passive income? Simply put, it's money you earn without the need to actively work for it. It can come from investments, rented properties, or even an online business that you've set up to generate revenue on autopilot. Many think that passive income is a luxury reserved only for the rich, but I'm here to debunk that notion. With the right strategies and a bit of initial effort, anyone can start building passive income streams. And why is this important? Because passive income can provide financial security, freedom to pursue your passions, and most importantly, control over your time. Imagine not being tied to a 9-to-5 job, having more time to spend with your family, travel, or work on projects you love. This is not just a dream, it's a possible reality with passive income. One of the most accessible ways to start generating passive income is through dividend investments. But what are dividends? They are payments made by companies to their shareholders, a portion of profits distributed regularly. The beauty of dividends is that you can earn money simply by owning shares of a company, without the need to sell your shares. When talking about dividend investments, it's crucial to understand which types of companies tend to pay dividends regularly. Generally, these are well-established companies, with a long history of profitability and a stable business model. This includes but is not limited to utility companies, such as energy and water suppliers, which have constant demand and generate predictable cash flows. Another notable sector is consumer goods companies, especially those selling essential products like food, beverages, and personal hygiene products, whose demand remains stable regardless of economic conditions. Financial companies, including large banks and insurance institutions, are also known for their attractive dividends, thanks to their ability to generate consistent profits. It's worth noting that while these companies offer a reliable source of passive income through dividends, it's important to diversify your investments to minimize risks and explore other growth opportunities in the stock market. To get started, you need to open a brokerage account and begin investing in companies known for paying consistent dividends. But it's not just about choosing any company. It's crucial to do research to find those with a solid history of dividend payments and a strong financial position. Here are some tips for choosing the best dividend stocks. Look for companies within stable sectors with a good profit track record, and that have a low dividend payout ratio, indicating they can maintain or increase dividends in the future. Another powerful way to generate passive income is through investing in rental properties. This strategy involves buying properties with the goal of renting them out, creating a steady income stream. Many are intimidated by the idea of becoming landlords, but with the right approach, real estate can be a lucrative source of passive income. The first step is research. You need to find a real estate market with high rental demand and appreciation potential. This might include areas near universities, business centers, or tourist spots. After purchasing, property management is crucial. You can choose to manage the property yourself or hire a property management company, which can take care of everything from maintenance to finding tenants, allowing you to earn passive income with fewer worries. Investing in rental properties requires a significant initial investment, but the rewards can be substantial. Besides the constant flow of income, real estate typically appreciates over time, offering a dual earning potential: passive income and capital appreciation. Affiliate marketing is an excellent way to generate passive income, especially if you already have a digital platform, such as a blog, YouTube channel, or active social media. The idea is to promote products or services of other companies, earning a commission for each sale made through your affiliate link. Getting started is simple. Choose products that align with your audience and that you would genuinely recommend. Then sign up for affiliate programs that offer those products. Once accepted, you'll receive a unique link to share with your audience. The key to success in affiliate marketing is authenticity and providing real value to your followers. This might mean creating informative or entertaining content that naturally includes your product recommendations. We've come to the end of our journey today exploring some of the most effective strategies for generating passive income. Remember, the path to financial freedom starts with the first step. Whether it's investing in dividends, acquiring rental properties, or diving into the world of affiliate marketing, the key is to start. There's no better time than now to take control of your financial life and start building those passive income streams that will work for you day and night. I encourage you to choose one of the strategies we discussed today and take that first step. And remember, the Magnate World channel is here to guide you every step of the way. If you enjoyed this video, explore our content for more tips and strategies on how to achieve financial freedom. We're in this journey together to become a magnate of your own financial world. Until next time.